Hi there, this is Anna from Theneo, and I would love to show you how you can use our developer portal. Before I dive into, let's talk about what is actual developer portal. In a way, it's like a landing page to showcase different type of resources for your third party or for your internal development team. So for example, if you are showcasing your API, it's really good idea to have a developer portal where you can have the API reference guide, you can have a quick start guide, FAQ, or even product guides and other content that could be helpful for your third party or again for your internal team as well. So to showcase some of my favorite examples, actually, I would love to start with our own developer portal. So this developer portal obviously was built in Theneo and is for our own purposes as well. So this is actually for you guys to see everything that is possible in Theneo. So to explore the product, the API reference guide, developer portal, tools, customization, and a few other things as well. And everything that you see here, for example, when you go to Quick Starts and it redirects you to our project, everything has been created in Theneo and it is just linked to that through our developer portal. Obviously, we have here dark and light mode because we love that. And if we go to another example, this is an example of one of the clients who actually has lots of different APIs, as you can see. And they were doing an amazing job of showcasing all of that in Theneo. So this developer portal was created in Theneo, and all of their API references are obviously included in Theneo as well. So for example, if I click on Orders API, it will redirect me to their API reference that is hosted in Theneo. And everything was generated here. As you can see, it is very beautiful. And yeah, if we go also have a look at another example, this client doesn't have lots of APIs. It's just one API, but they're doing an amazing job of showcasing their API reference, authentication, and other content that would be relevant for their third-party developers. I mentioned that developer portal can be used both for third party or for internal purposes, and Theneo does accommodate for both of those use cases. You can actually build multiple use cases for multiple human languages or multiple type of clients. You really have no limitations of the type of content or type of developer portal you want to generate in Theneo. So how can you actually use the platform? So when you go to the dashboard, you can click on Developer Portal. You'll be redirected to our Developer Hub where you can make any of the changes. Initially, you will see this kind of a template for you in the beginning, and you can make any changes or you can import your own code. So we have this low code, no code solution. And you can always go to the widgets here and leverage any of these elements that you see here. So for example, if you want to have 2 columns or 3 columns, you want to have a text or image or even map, navigation, form, input, text area, select, button, anything that you want to think of in the developer portal, you have everything here. So for example, if I want to use the text, I can just simply drag and drop here. I can change the layout, the typography, the decorations, other information, etc. There are lots of configuration options here. And like I said, you can always import your own code as well. And because of that, you really have no limitations of the type of the look that you want to go for. So for example, if you really like what OpenAI has, or if you like what Stripe has with their developer portal, you can have similar template or similar layout as those big companies. So you can always see how everything is going to look like in different environments. So for example, in mobile and in desktop and in tablet, you can have multiple pages. So if I go actually to the page that I was just showing to you, which is our own developer portal, this is how it's going to look like. So let's say if I want to make any changes, it's extremely easy. I can change the text, I can change the layout, I can change the the images, and I can always link to something else as well from here. As you can see, it is linked to a very specific project here. So again, it's very easy to manage all of this. If you have any questions or if you have very specific look in mind, shoot us a message, because we have lots of different templates that we have already used for more than 4,000 clients. So I'm sure we can accommodate the use cases that you have as well.